So here's what it looks like before. As you can see, regular Porsche 986 991 light for the 996. And all I did was tint it to give it a little bit of, kick, something different. It's gonna go with my theme. And this is what it looks like with the upgraded face. So instead of buying a whole new fender, all new lights, a different, well, maybe not a different bumper, but it would form differently. I just bought this insert piece. Man, it makes a difference, right? Makes a huge difference. So we're going to wrap this carbon fiber and we're going to wrap this bumper carbon fiber and see what it looks like. And I'm going to put Velcro on this so I can take them on and off. So see what it looks like now. And then regular 986. And then this is like a face upgrade. Regular face upgrade. What do you guys think? You like it? Oh man, it makes the car look so different already. Just that little thing makes the car look so different. I'm so excited. So I got some primer on these already, but now I'm just gonna take some 400 wet sandpaper and just kind of go over it a little bit, to make it a little easier. A little quick wet sand. Don't gotta get crazy. Just want to be a little flatter. When you get them in the mail, they're not finished. Usually you can get stuff that's not finished a lot cheaper than you finish it yourself, because let's say they came black, but I wanted them silver or green or purple or whatever color I wanted. I would have to sand off that paint that they did and that I paid for anyway. So I usually get my stuff unfinished, then I can cut it if I want to cut another hole here or whatever. So there was just a little quick wet sand. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick, and then we're gonna spray paint these gloss black. I want to see what they look like black for the black car first. And then if I want, because it's painted, then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them with the carbon fiber wrap. But let's go ahead and wipe these off and let them dry. And then we're gonna paint one black and compare it to what an original one looks like. All right, now that we've been sitting in the sun for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get my first can of spray on there and see what it looks like. So just gonna go black. So right now I'm just spraying these pieces. I'm spraying them black because I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them with the carbon fiber, and the gloss will help the wrap to stick. And I really want to pay attention to the edges, because when I wrap around the edge, I don't want any of the primer to be seen. So the black will cover all the little pieces. If you get the wrap very close and you cut like just a little tiny mistake on the inside, you can still see it if this is white and carbon fiber's on top. So if I paint it black, it'll hide it. Not that I'll make a mistake, but it's always better to prepare. And like I said, wrap sticks to shinier, nicer, glossier surfaces than it does to matte, like the primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these. I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna let them dry for a little bit. Then I'm probably gonna take one up in the office, in our little makeshift office, and I'm gonna wrap one in front of you tonight. So now that they're all glossy and all this is cleared up and spray painted on the bottom as well as the top, now I can go ahead and wait for this to cure, probably a few hours, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay the carbon fiber wrap over this and we can cut it out. I mean, it looks great just like it looks now. All right, so I wanted to show you the before, both cars, and then we'll see what it looks like. So these are the regular, so you can see what the OEM looks like when I put the carbon on it. This one, I did purple here, and then I'm gonna do smoke here, and then put it on, so it's gonna do a mix match color change. And this one over here, we're gonna put on as well. So I want you to see before and after what the cars actually look like. Now let's get some work done. Now, this makes the headlights circular, like the 997 instead of the 996. Also upgrades your 986 to a newer looking Porsche. Now they are sticking out a little bit because I don't have them secured down. I just have a piece of tape under holding it together because we're going to also carbon fiber these fenders. So make sure you subscribe so you can watch what we're doing. I think it looks great. Let's see what it looks like on the black car. So this is what it looks like on the black car. I did purple on the top, and I'm gonna do the yellow here, smoke. If I put these on this car with the carbon fiber fender. And this is just what they call regular fried egg light. So it kind of makes it look a little better as well. So I like them a lot. I think it looked better on this, but we'll see. What do you guys think? Comment down below, tell me which car I should put it on. Or should I just get another set? Who knows? All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Follow us on our journey. Let's build some cars.